Myself Pradeep Kumar Tripathi, Assistant Professor in Department of Information Technology, AGGREGATE Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today we have talked about the lecture series of DBMS. So lecture 4, which I have already completed my 3 lecture series in particular previously. You have seen over the particular series. So we have talked about the topic of operations, join operation. Today we have discussed about the join operation, how it can be performed, how it can be used in a particular DBMS. In DBMS particular, there are so many tables out there. Suppose we have make a project. Suppose a person want to develop a software and you have to using the database. So when you using the database, we have to divide the database in a particular tables, and these particular tables can be combined and give the result. Sometimes we need the data from one table. Sometimes we need the data from more than one tables. So how it can be 2 tables can be combined and 3 tables can be combined, or more than 3 tables can be combined from that particular database. So it is depend upon the situation and depend upon the scenario that particular software you have to develop. So we have most important part of our join operation. We have to use the particular join operation, how we can use the join operation, how it symbols, how it can be access that particular database, and what types of joins operations in the particular DBMS. So we have discussed in this lecture how the join operation combines the relations and how types of join operations, how they perform particular query, and how we'll join all the tables or particular tables in a particular scenario or particular output. So talk about the join operation. What is join operation? In a join operation, combine the related tuples from the different relation if and only if a given join condition is satisfied. It is denoted by this symbol. This is the symbol of join. When we use that particular symbol, that means you have to join the particular table. Suppose we have a 2 table, employee and salary, and we want to join that particular table in a particular scenario. So this particular table is there and this particular table is there. Sorry, employee table is there and salary table is there. We want to combine these 2 tables, and output of these 2 tables is this. So how it can be combined? These are the operations. This is particular operation where we can use and combine that particular table. Employee denote cross salary. So we have to combine this particular join, and we have types of join operation. Join operation basically categorized wise divided by the 3 types: natural join, outer join, and EQ join. In the particular outer join, we have 3 types of join: left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. And natural join and EQ joins are separate from the outer join. So talk about the natural join. What is the natural join? That particular fix on the natural. What is natural? Natural means can be combined naturally. So natural join is a set of tuples of all the combination in R and S. R and S, there are the 2 type of table, 2 type of relation, that is one relation is R and another relation name is S, that are equal on their common attribute name. We can combine the table by using the common attribute. If we do not have the common attribute in between the 2 tables, then we cannot combine that particular table in a single table, or you have to import that particular 2 tables data into the particular single table. So it must be, or a necessary condition of that particular join operation is one common attribute are there. So we have to define up, let's use the above example of employee table and salary table, and these are the input: pi, employee name, salary, and employee join salary. So how it will work? It will combine by using this operation. These are the tables, and we have to combine employee ID. Employee code is the common part of these two tables. Employee code is a common for first table, and employee code is common for the second table, and we use to that particular ID to combine these two tables, 101, 102 and 103. These are the three codes that particular scenario is there. So these are the output, Stephen, Jack and Harry. These are the salary part. So it is called natural join. You can join natural. And then next is outer join. What is outer join? Outer join is an operation, is an extension of the join operation. It used to deal the missing information. That means we have some type of information that can be missing. When the missing information is used, then the perfect join operation is outer join. These are called outer join, or it can be an extension of a particular join. Suppose we have a table of employee, we have a table of factory workers, and these two workers, these two tables we can combine by using this type of symbol, employee join fact workers. In the employee, we have some attributes, employee name, street and city, and fact worker we have employee name, branch and salary. These are the two type of table that can be combined and give the result of this particular table. So employee name and street and city, these are the three columns, and in the particular fact worker table is branch name and salary. These are the two parts up there, and we can combine by the help of employee name. Employee name is the common in the two particular table. Employee name is common, employee name is common, and we can combine that particular record in the particular table. Suppose we have seen about the Ram, Syam, Ravi and Harry, and Ram, Syam, Kuber and Harry. Kuber is not in particular table. If we see about Kuber is not present in that particular employee table, and Ram is matched, okay, Syam is matched, okay, Hari is matched, okay, but Ravi is not present in second table. So in the third table, when we want to join this particular information, then we have to use this table. When used to join operation, in the join operation there are Ravi and Kuber. Ravi and Kuber are missing in this particular table because Ravi is present in first table but not present in second table, and Kuber is present in second table but not present in first table. So these are the two information that can be missing after the join. So when it is used to deal the missing information, when we want to this type of scenario, then we can use the outer join. In the outer join, there are three types of join we have used in outer join. Suppose we have said about that. Outer join is the type of three: left outer join, right outer join and full outer join. These are the three types of join which we have used in particular scenario. So we have talked about the left outer join. In the left outer join contains the set of tuples or all the combination in R and S that are equal on their common attribute name. In the left outer join contains the set of tuples of all the combination in R and S that are equal on the common attribute of tuple. In the left outer join, tuples in R have no matching tuples in S. Suppose we have a two type of table, employee and fact workers, and we have used left outer join. Left outer join denoted by this symbol. That means you have to use this type of symbol and open it on left hand side. So if you open left hand side, that means you have to use left side. So it is called left outer join, and it must have the tuples. Tuples in R have no matching tuples in S. This is the condition in left outer join. So What is the output of this particular table? The output of particular table is you have to combine all the tables on all the rows of particular one table, and you don't have the value of right hand table. You have only the value of first table. Suppose we have seen about this particular table, you have to see Ram, Syam, Ravi and Hari. These are the first table, and fact worker Ram, Syam, Kuber and Hari. These are the second table. If you use the left outer join, then you have to value of R, but you don't have value of S. So this is the output. Ram, Syam, Hari and Ravi. These are the first table, and you have all the record of first table, but you don't have the record of second table. It may or it may not be. That is not sure about right hand side table, but it's sure about the left hand side table. So if the left outer join, it must contains the left side table, but it cannot have the right hand side table. It may or may not be. This is called left outer join. Then next is right outer join. What is right outer join? Right outer join contains the set of tuples of all combination in R and S that are equal on their common attribute name. In the right outer join, tuple S have no matching tuple in R. It denoted by symbol like this. Suppose we have a cross like this, and you have to mention this. This is called left outer join. If suppose cross and we have to open on right hand side, this is called right outer join. This is left outer join. This is right outer join. This is right, this is left. And it have the value of right table. Suppose we have a table of right hand side. This symbol only denotes the table value. That cannot be denoted by that right hand side. It only denotes that you have the value of right table, not left table. Okay. And then we have the type of outer join is full outer join. What is full outer join? In a full outer join is like left or right join, except that it contains all the row from both table. That means it cannot depend on left and right join. It contains all the rows from both table. It cannot depend on left and right table. It depends all the table. In the full outer join, tuples R have no matching tuple in S, and tuple in S that have no matching tuple in R in their common attribute name. It can be denoted by both side open. Suppose we have a symbol of this, and we have a symbol of open like this, both side open. Suppose we have this, we have this, we have this, we have open like this, we have open like this. This is called type of outer join. In the full outer join, tuples in R that have no matching tuple in S and tuples S have no matching tuple in R, their common attribute name, it can be outer join. That is called full outer join. If we have combined these two tables by using the symbol of full outer join, it contains all the data of table 1 and all the data table 2. That means if we have two tables, one is left hand side, another is right hand side, then these two tables can be combined and find out the result of two tables, left side and right side. Both side data have been combined in a particular one table. So it is called full outer join. How it can be defined as the equijoin? What do you mean by equijoin? Equijoin, it is also known as the inner join. What is inner join? It is the most common join. It is based on the matched data as per the equality condition. The equijoin operator can be used equal operator. Suppose we have two type of relation, customer relation and product relation, and we have combined these two value of the by equijoin. So 1, 2, 3 is a class ID and that is a product ID. Here is the name and here is the city. what is the output of this particular EQ join? How it can be, data can be matched. How data can be matched is data can be matched at the per equality condition of that particular scenario. The EQ join use the equal operator. When we use the equal operator, then it is called EQ join. Suppose we have an outer join, relational loan and relational borrower. These are the two tables. One is relational loan and another is relational borrower. Loan number, loan branch name and amount, there are some values are there, and customer name and loan number, these are the two values of the particular table. So how it can be combined? We have a inner join like this. We have to use inner join. Loan and borrower, you can use there. Left outer join, left side values are there and right side values are not combined. In the right outer join, we have a value of right table, but we don't have a value of left table. In the full outer join, we have a combined, these are the two tables values, and whole table can be combined in this particular full outer join. Suppose we have a customer and product, we have a combined about the class ID and product ID and name. Name has the equal values. You can compare by using the equal values, then we have to use the equality condition that can be performed in particular scenario. So customer and product name that can be used by the customer. So suppose we have a recap of this particular scenario. Suppose relation has the loan number, branch name and amount. These are the three types of attributes are there. Here two type of attributes are there, but these two are combined by using the some join operation. Suppose inner join means we have to combine these two data tables data equally. Suppose 3 value and 3 value are there, but here is 2 value. Why these are the combined? Only the matched value are there. In left side value, only the left hand side is compulsory, but right hand side is not compulsory. In the right outer join, right side value are the compulsory, but left hand side table data is not compulsory. In full outer join, these are the all the value can compare or not matched, that comes under the full outer join. In the customer, we have combined like EQ join. Suppose tuple relational calculus. What is tuple relational calculus? These are the relational algebra type of join. In the particular relational algebra, we have used this type of join to combine the queries or to combine the tables or relation. Now, next topic is tuple relational calculus. What is tuple relational calculus? A non-procedural query language where each query is the form of TPT. What is TPT? T means tuple. P means predicate tuple. Suppose it is the set of all the tuple T such that predicate P is true for T. T is the tuple variable TA denotes the value of tuple T on attribute R. T belongs to R denotes that tuple T is relation R, and P is the formula similar to that of the predicate calculus. So T is the tuple and P is the predicate where we can use that particular scenario. What is predicate calculus formula? Set of attribute and constants, set of comparison operators. What is comparison operator? That is a simple less than, equal to, and equal to, not equal to, and greater than or greater than equal to. And after that, third part is set of connectives. Set of connective means and or not. Implication means X imply Y. It is if X is true, then Y is true. X imply Y means not of X and or Y. And set of quantifiers are there that can be used in a particular tuple relational calculus. Suppose these are the set of quantifiers. So this is the example where we can use the particular tuple relational calculus, and tuple relational operations are there. So you can use the join operation in this particular banking example. Thank you so much. Thank you.